Working rules for calculating a to b fx dx. Step 1, evaluate the indefinite integral fx dx and let fx dx is equal to fx. I am not writing c here, constant of integration. Step 2, write fx dx is equal to fx a to b. Step 3, write fx a to b is equal to fb minus fa. Solve fb minus fa. These are the 4 steps. Now one thing, why I have not mentioned capital C here? I am just writing like here. Suppose we are writing a to b fx dx is equal to fx plus c from a to b. Then how this part will be solved? We will be writing fb minus c 1 minus fa minus c, this one, and on solving what we will be getting? fb minus fa. Okay, so that's why we are not writing here constant of integration. Okay, so these are the 4 steps to evaluate or to calculate the definite integral.